Hey friends, Trent Stephens with Wohler Realty Group here. It's been a minute since my last video update, and I just wanted to start by saying, sorry for the silence, I didn't fall off the map, I dove headfirst into the code. I started the Farm to Code forecast to track activity and share regular updates on the real estate market in Southern Vermont. I love doing it. You all gave me amazing feedback, but here's the thing, I have a very neurodivergent brain. And when something captures my attention, especially something both creative and technical, I go all in. And I mean all the way down the rabbit hole. It's just how I'm wired. Let me give you an example. Not from tech, but from my home life. I'm an omnivore. I eat meat. But I've also stared commercial agriculture in the face, and I've turned my back on it. In order to live and eat in sync with my values, I had to go further than just buying better food. So I did what I always do when something matters to me. I went all in. Not just pasture raised, not just local. I bought a farm. I've raised my own sheep, rabbits, and chickens for over a decade in a way that feels right, in a way that honors the animals' lives and their deaths, and my role in that cycle, and in my family's lives. It wasn't the easiest path, but it was one that made sense to my brain. A brain that won't let go until I fully understand something, until I've taken full responsibility for it. That's how I work. Whether I'm raising animals, or building systems, or helping my real estate clients understand a fast-moving market. It's the same mind, the same drive to learn everything I can, to do it myself, and to do it right. What started as a simple project to crunch some numbers on a cloud server turned into a full-blown mission. I couldn't just rent space in someone else's cloud. Nope, I had to build my own. I couldn't just run a website. I had to host it myself. So now, there's a server in my garage. And that's just the beginning. Right now, it's running N8N for automations, Postgres for managing all the market data, Grafana and Prometheus for beautiful charts and monitoring, Home Assistant to automate my house because why not, Uptime Kuma to make sure nothing crashes, and Nextcloud, my own private cloud for syncing everything together. All of this is connected, all of this is self-hosted, and all of it is here to do one thing, give you better local real estate insights than anyone else. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you could go to farmtocode.com and simply ask, what's the average price per square foot in Bennington County in 2025? Or, what's the highest price paid for a home in Manchester in 2025? Now you can. This is real local data, updated weekly, processed by AI, and powered entirely by my own system. I'm building a tool set that gives buyers, sellers, investors, and even curious neighbors the ability to understand this market with confidence. It's fast, it's private, it's accurate, and it's built on the same server where I built everything else I trust. So yeah, I've been quiet, but I've been building. And now that foundation is laid, it's time to bring the updates back. Expect more frequent videos, better charts, and smarter tools. The Farm to Code forecast is about to evolve into something way more powerful. So check out farmtocode.com, subscribe here if you haven't, and follow along as I take this system and this Southern Vermont real estate market to the next level. Thanks for sticking with me. More soon. Welcome to Wohler Realty Group, where your Vermont real estate journey begins. Come visit us at our Stratton Mountain office, conveniently situated at the base of the Stratton Mountain Access Road, across from 7-Eleven. Or stop by our Manchester office, prominently located at the roundabout, across from the Northshire Bookstore, overlooking the waterfall. Whether you're buying, selling, or renting, Wohler Realty Group is committed to delivering exceptional service tailored to your unique needs. Discover the difference with Wohler Realty Group. Visit WohlerRealtyGroup.com or come say hi at one of our convenient locations. Wohler Realty Group, your trusted partner in Vermont real estate.